Google Sheet cannot delete the first line of codes. The first line of codes is the one which appears below the title and description on your site. That is where search engines like Google Sheet find it every time they index your website. Plus, short URLs also begin with this code. Despite this, it might be that sometimes you don't want to show the first line of search engine codes when you are linking to them, whether because you don't want to include the s equals at the end of a sentence or because you do not want your readers to see the source links. If that is the case and you want to hide your sources in this area, use one of the code repairs recommended below. What is the first line of code and what does it do? The first line of a code is the instruction to computer to read in the rest of the code. Because a program can only process one line at a time, reading the first line tells the program where their lines go. The first line also functions as an instruction for what to do with each piece of information received by the program. What does each character in the program do? Each letter makes a different part of the programming process. V is used to define variables in a program. I will get into how variables work later. J is used to specify that some action or task should happen or occur. This will be explained later. K can be used as an instruction saying wait here and wait for this request, while L is used to tell the computer what line number it should move to next. In the end, what should look like is a long list of typed characters on paper. We can access this sheet of keystrokes in the computer and make our friend say whatever we want to with them. On to the next item. However, let's just assume that all our program does is say the phrase, "Have a nice day." What do we ask it to do? Figuring out how it does all this stuff and how can I erase or replace the first line of code? When you start coding, there is sometimes the first line of code. When you want to delete the first line of code, use the backspace key on the keyboard. However, this will delete all of the text in your document. Instead, Google Sheet click the undo button and then click on replace. Then type how you want to start and select finish. If a bad line of code is ruining your document, use the code tag at the top again centered on top just to the left of the toolbox. You can see all of this on screen at one time. This way, you can always see what lines of code you are working with. How do I indent manual lines? Use the Tab and Shift key at the same time as you edit. Select hard tag for an entirely indented line and an entirely aligned. Why should I keep track of my first line of codes? You may find yourself wondering why you should keep track of your first line of codes. It's important because without this information, nobody can help you interpret what code is the first line on a new page. If by chance your son makes a mistake and erases your entry for the first line of codes, then a professional reader has to be called in to save the day. Since codes can be regularly inserted, there is no way a professional reader would have time to help you. How do I remove codes already in the UCR? It's not considered a good idea to remove codes that have been previously recorded. That way, if by chance a correct user accidentally erases the first lines at the top of the same page for another user, then he didn't choose to clear out his own printout. Rather, someone else did it for him and then forgot. UCR codes come in a variety of formats, which can make the task even more complicated. Secondly, there are several different UCR parameters that allow for various effects, including blank/strike-throughs. The possibilities are endless and also lead to another problem. How do you know if you've coded too much content? There is no way an experienced number generator would have time to try out all combinations of these esoteric features and mechanism combinations in their attempt to code your data properly. Conclusion. At the start of a program, text is entered. Then there is a statement about offering home for the homeless that shelters won't let the player move into. The player will arrive at an anarchist commune which later turns out to be run by someone whose responsibility it is to dismantle others' security and deal in drugs. Then they discover they have been put on speed. The player's response upon discovering this is "Battle turn me on. I feel horny as hell." The programmer has you do some ridiculous, revolutionary acts